Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to find mean. In another word, it is called as average of ungrouped frequency distribution by using assumed mean method. That is, if the ungrouped frequency distribution is given, then we have to find the mean or average by using assumed mean method. Let us see one example for that. The marks and the number of students are given. Here the data is ungrouped frequency distribution. In a certain examination, the student get marks 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70, and out of total student, 8 student get 20 marks, 12 get 30 marks, 20 gets 40 marks, 10 get 50 marks, 6 get 60 marks and 4 get 70 marks. Here the marks and number of students are given and we have to find mean by assumed mean method. Let us see what is the formula for assumed mean method to finding mean, that is x bar equals to a plus sum of fi into di divided by sum of fi. Here a is assumed mean, fi is frequency and di is a deviation. Let us see xi mean marks. Marks are given, that is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. These are the marks which is denoted by letter xi, and the number of students which is the frequency denoted by letter fi, that is 8, 12, 20, 10, 6 and 4. First, by straightforward we can find sum of fi. That means we have to add all these frequency, that is 8 plus 12 plus 20 plus 10 plus 6 plus 4 will get the value of sum of fi is 60. Then for that sum of fi into di, first we have to find the deviation, that is the formula for deviation is xi minus a. Here a is assumed mean. Let us see how to find the assumed mean. Here xi's are given 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. The mid values are 40 and 50. If we left 20 and 30, the upper two values, these are the lower two values, and 40 and 50 are middle values. We can take x capital A, that is assumed mean, as 50 or 40. For these two values are middle, we can take one value. We can take here 40 as assumed mean. Then we have to find deviation, that is xi minus a. Here xi is 20 minus a is 40, that is 20 minus 40 is minus 20. Next xi is 30 minus a is 40, 30 minus 40 is minus 10. Next xi 40 minus assumed mean is 40, 40 minus 40 is 0. Next 50 minus 40 is 10, 60 minus 40 is 20, and last is 70 minus a, that is 40 is 30. Next we have to find fi into di, that is the multiplication of frequency and the respective deviation, that is 8 multiplied by minus 20, that is minus 160, 12 multiplied by minus 10, that is minus 120, 20 multiplied by 0, that is 0, 10 multiplied by 10, that is 100, 6 multiplied by 20, that is 120, and 4 multiplied by 30, that is 120. Next, then we have to find the addition of these fi into di. Then we have to add all these number. After taking addition, we'll get sum of fi di is 60. Then we have to put all these value, that is a, assume mean, that is 40, plus sum of fi di is 60 and sum of fi is 60, that is equals to 40, and plus 60 divided by 60 is 1. Therefore mean x bar is 40 plus 1, that is 41. That is the method of finding the mean by assumed mean method. Let us see another example. Same example, in a certain examination, the marks of students are given 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. And out of total numbers of students, 5 students get 10 marks, 10 students get 20 marks, 20 students get 30 marks, 30 students get 40 marks and 40 students get 50 marks. We have to find the mean of these ungrouped frequency distribution by assumed mean method. That means by this formula x bar equals to a plus summation fi into di divided by summation of fi. We have to find mean, that is x bar. Let us see the marks denoted by letter xi, which are 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, and the number of students, that means frequency, which is denoted by letter fi, that is 5, 10, 20, 30 and 40. Here first we can find the summation of fi, that is addition of all these values of frequency is 105. Then we have to find fi into di, that means first we have to find the deviation by this formula. Deviation di equals to xi minus a. Here xi's are given 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Then we have to find the a, that is assumed mean. Here the total 6 values of xi are given 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. The mid values is 30. Here the mid values of xi is 30, therefore assumed mean is 30. Then we have to find di, that is xi minus a, that is 10 minus 30 is minus 20. xi is 20 minus a is 30 minus 10, 30 minus 30 0. Next xi 40 minus a is 30, 40 minus 30 is 10, 50 minus 30 is 20. Next we have to find fi into di, that is we have to find a multiplication of frequency and deviation, that is 5 into minus 20, that is minus 100, 10 multiplied by minus 10, minus 100, 20 multiplied by 0, 0, 30 multiplied by 10, that is 300, and 40 multiplied by 20, that is 800. Then we have to find summation of fi into di, that means we have to add all these value. After addition of these all value, will get sum of fi into di is 900. Then we put all these value in that formula of mean, that is x bar equals to, here a equals to 30 plus sum of fi into di is 900 divided by sum of fi is 105, that is equals to 30 plus 900 divided by 105 is 8.57. Therefore x bar is equals to 30 plus 8.57 is 38.57. That is the simple method of finding mean of ungrouped frequency distribution by assumed mean method. I hope that you understood all these terms, all this concept, that is how to find the mean by assumed mean method of ungrouped frequency distribution. I hope that you like this video. Thank you.